So, please explain.
Oh, here we have a kitchen area here, and we set up orange. This is complimentary, and also kitchen set here. For the snacks bowl will be chargeable. For the coffee, tea, and water is free. And then we also set up some glass here, bowl, plate here, the cutleries here. And here we also have fruits and some drink. This that will be chargeable also in chocolate.
Okay.
And for the milk is free. Yep.
Okay, you're safe. Thank you. So,
Here for the bed. Yeah. And then for the password Wi-Fi, just put your last name reservation, Mr. Pornin. Here we also provide some cookies.
just 1 second.
That's our bathroom here. With jacuzzi.
So, jacuzzi, very good. So, same like Shambhala?
Yeah. Have you been in Samala? Kamu Samala? Wow.
Good one. Tak, so. Good back.
Yeah. We set up some cookies here. This compliment
No,
to you.
cookies. Oh, beautiful.
This is our pool, lagoon pool.
So this is beach, right?
Yeah. In front of our restaurant.
And beach club there.
Yeah.
So. So what is this?
Nothing. Just only for the.
Okay.
Nice. Very nice video. This iPhone 40 or 30?
No, 1-3.
30, yeah?